Hormone replacement therapy is a treatment where you replace patients with the hormones that they are lacking after menopause. Menopause is associated with a lot of problems like hot flushes, vaginal dryness, loss of libido, and a lot of other factors which women are like kind of scared to tell you about. And many times I have seen that these patients are placed by their primary care on antidepressants. That is not what they need. They just need the hormone replacement. So I've had so many patients, I've taken them off antidepressants and put them on hormone replacement therapy, and their life changed. And they themselves say they are like a new person. They should not think that this is normal to experience when you are going through that phase in life, because there is an alternative, there is a treatment, and they don't have to suffer for things that they don't have to suffer.